Market volatility this year is a mix of things. It's driven by concerns about credit, the ongoing declines in oil. We've recently breached $30 in the oil price, and concerns about China and potential changes in its foreign exchange regime. China's slump has been going on for 4 years now. For Brazil, Brazil actually exports quite a bit to China. It's one of the most China-centric economies in North and South America. And so I think, for Brazil, it's really wait and see what's going to happen to commodity prices if Chinese demand continues to slump. And if the Chinese foreign exchange questions and capital outflows continue, then we're going to continue to get a lot of volatility in FX markets, and that's likely to impact the real too. The commodity cycle has affected Brazil really by depriving firms with revenue. We're seeing worldwide modest weakness in volume growth in manufacturing and in trade, but in nominal terms, pretty severe weakness. So obviously, if you're selling raw materials, you're just getting a lot less money, and that's putting significant pressure on debt loads and earnings expectations and a whole host of things. For China, we've seen a slowdown in investment growth, corporate investment, over the past 4 years. I think the origins of this commodity slump come from people's extrapolating very strong growth in China before 2012. As Chinese firms have just not been buying as much raw materials, you've had a really big re-equilibration in prices for raw materials. For China this year, we don't expect a sharp improvement in investment growth, but we do expect positive growth. So China's not melting down. It's actually now 30% of global manufacturing, where it was well less than 10% a decade ago. So I think what's happened is China's moving closer in line with the average growth rate worldwide, and that's had a knock-on effect to commodity prices and to Brazil. If growth stabilizes in China, I would expect commodity prices to stabilize almost immediately, and that would definitely have an impact on the Brazilian economy. So it would be a very helpful development.